welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. Hey, what's up, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, host of the channel Kicks and Beats, a channel that gets back to the hood so you know what's good. Giveaways on the first of every month towards our subscribers. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Anyways, we have our second UA pair here today, guys. It finally arrived. And we got this from the same people who gave us the Faded Azure. Make sure to check out the Instagram for information. Let's take a look at this right quick. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low. I believe it's called the Carnivore. And if I'm not mistaken, they took inspiration from the Nike Air Carnivore shoe, the red, white, and black colorway. You should see a picture like posted up here by now. Yeah, that's the shoe right there. And that's where the inspiration came from. So let's take a look at this here today. This is set to drop December 17. Let's take a quick look at this. I'm just interested at seeing the quality because we received the first UA pair ever, that we know of, not that long ago, and it was a 700 V1 Faded Azure. This is the second one right here. Let's take a look, y'all. That's crazy. The box actually looks official. The box actually looks official. Is it the size it's supposed to be? I really don't know. I'm not about to compare that right now because when it comes to the boxes, I really don't care. It's about the shoe to me, you know? Wow. Wow, the craftsmanship on this pair. All the materials are on point. That's some good material. Yo, you guys are amazing. Shout out to my supplier for this. This is actually nice, guys. When I saw the pictures online, I didn't think I was gonna like this pair at all. Like, it wasn't really my cup of tea, but looking at it now in person, it actually doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look amazing to me. This isn't really like the type of shoe I go for, but it doesn't look bad in person. I like this color here. It's kind of like a khaki color, what you see over here in the front portion of the shoe. This is suede, guys. This red area over here, this is suede. This is some real nice suede. The toe box is pretty nice, honestly. Looks pretty nice. And this is crazy. I barely see like glue marks on this shoe, which is something I've been seeing a whole lot of with authenticated pairs via StockX and Goat lately. Actually, we got a little bit right there. It's just a little bit, nothing too bad. I've seen worse with my other pairs. This is actually really nice, guys. And look at the paint job in between the black and this color right here on the sole. They did a pretty good job. I have so many authentic pairs of Jordans and Nike pairs that are just like basically uneven when it comes to the paint job, but this is more on point. It's crazy. I'm telling you guys, when it comes to UA shoes, it seems like they're doing better when it comes to quality control over these authentic factories. It's just insane to me. The black laces. Let's show you guys the inside. Okay, so this insole right here, guys, it's pretty sticky underneath it, so I don't want to pull the whole thing out. Whenever I feel stickiness like that, I just don't want to bother taking the whole insole out, but it's pretty sticky underneath. Let me see if you guys can see the details inside. Can you guys see? That's how it looks inside. Seeing the word authentic inside of a UA pair just makes me want to laugh. Oh man. Bet you it's gonna feel the same though. The quality's the same. Okay, so the check looks pretty fuzzy, guys. This is a fuzzy check. The shoe comes with a fuzzy check. This is all suede here as well. What is this material here? I don't know if it is suede, but it feels like suede also. The whole shoe feels like it's made out of suede, except for this black portion in the front. But everything else kind of feels like suede. Like even this khaki colored portion feels like suede, to be honest. Here's the back, Air Jordan logo. Oh, and you got the SoleFly logo on the left pair in the back. See that? This is a collaboration with SoleFly, by the way, guys. This is the SoleFly Air Jordan 1 Low, coming out December 17th, once again. Gum bottom. Let's give you guys that on-feet look. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. Just to let you guys know, this fits just like authentic pairs when it comes to sizing. So, you know, if you're a 10.5 when it comes to Air Jordan 1 lows, you can contact these guys and get a size 10.5. It's going to feel the same, because it is. And, you know, I'm not going to say it felt extremely comfortable. Air Jordan 1s generally do not feel that comfortable to me, especially after Yeezy brand came into existence. They're dominating the market when it comes to comfortability, honestly. So that's what I'm used to at this point. But for those who know how Air Jordan 1s feel, this feels the same, you know? You got that same feel to it. I'm not gonna say it's uncomfortable, you know, you can wear this the entire day if you want, but you know, comfortability is there. In regards to authentic AJ1 pairs, it's the same. Perfect. Shout out to my people who sent me this. I actually appreciate this pair right here. It's a pretty decent pair, I'm not gonna lie. I will be wearing this often. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. We got more content to bring to you guys soon, and we have another giveaway around the corner. We're about to reach 2K subscribers, and when that time comes, somebody's gonna get a full fit, and that does include a pair of sneakers as well. Will it be Yeezys? I don't know, but stay tuned, yo. Peace, yo.